Hi guys, it's Keith Tharkenberg Farms. It is it's about August 1st. I believe August 1st is tomorrow, the next day. But it has been raining non-stop for like 2 days. We had over 5 inches of rain last night. And right now, come over to the rain gauge. We're up to just over 1.25 inches today. So let me show you some footage of what happened last night and what's been going on today. And also, it's raining even harder. What it's been doing out here in the field. This is just amazing. The road is a river. And the rain keeps going. Here's what it looks like down at the Shunga. Further downstream, same thing. Definitely out of its banks. Well, it looks like the Kansas River is still well within its banks. And here's what the Kansas looks like downriver at the boat ramp. I've seen it higher, but it's pretty darn full right now. So, this did not actually record for me yesterday when I was doing this, but this was my row of carrots. Complete no-till. Threw fertilizer down, layer compost plant directly into it. Now all the compost is gone and the whole end of the bed's gone too. So that's going to have to be fixed and replanted. It's all down here somewhere. There's the pigs. But the reason he had so much water in here, because it was all coming off the high tunnel. Originally, this area I'm walking through was nothing more than an area for the water to run through. So I really didn't focus on getting the drainage cut along here and across to get the water that comes off this side to go to the right direction. Now here in the high tunnel, even had water flowing through it, which I've never had happen before. Quite a few of these had water flowing straight through them. Which is amazing because I've got a pretty good embankment behind this thing to catch all the water before it ever gets here. There's a view of the high tunnel. Cucumbers are just about toast. I do have some Market More 76s in here, or no, 97s, which I am saving for seed because they're not a hybrid. And these ones actually lived where everything else got bacterial wilt and died. So if I can get some of those seeds, hopefully they'll carry that trait with them and we'll have better success next season with them. Here's one little thing I was very glad that I did a couple weeks ago when it started getting muddy. I put gravel down right through here because this was an extreme mud pit because all the water comes off of these structures straight through here. It's even getting muddy underneath the landscape fabric. Really good idea. I would have done more, but I need to get a lot of these lines underground and get some power underground before I go and put gravel everywhere. It's a lot harder to dig through once the gravel's down. Since it is now pouring out here, I'm going inside. This is the way this week's been going. There hasn't been much going on. Been trying to work in between the stuff here and there. But this is just brutal. There's no reason to being out like this. And it's getting towards the end of the season anyway, so yeah, I'd like to have full production, but if we don't, it's not gonna be the end of the world. So hope y'all like what you saw today. If you did, hope you like, subscribe. Thank y'all. Have a good day.